Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Planarista 101. Today, we are going to be planning in my journal, which is the Sophisticated Florals, and it's going to be for the week of January 10th through the 16th. I actually wanted to use the older book from Rang Rang from, I think it was last year, from Christmas, and the winter book from Live Love Posh. As you guys know, she is one of my favorite sticker makers and content creators in general on Instagram. I just love her style, so I'm gonna go ahead and go with those two sticker books and create the spread. As if you watch me, you already know that my journal is kind of a free fall and it just goes, it just goes the way it goes when I create. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Signa Uni-Ball white pen and cover up those lines like so. And if you are brand new to my channel, welcome. I hope you really like it here. And if you have been here before, thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me. I really appreciate that. So I'm going to be making kind of a wintry scene. It's still winter here. It's probably more winter than it was during Christmas. So I'm just creating this really like wintry look with some mountains and really snowy trees. And I really like how that looks. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and then I'm going to add some Rang Rang girls. So that's my plan for today. Let's see how it turns out. So I am going to go ahead and just cut out the little nugget so I can put this back in my planner without any tears of stickers. So let's do the other side next. So I'm going to put that on the bottom and add the trees and the mountains and see how that turns out. And we will go from there. I hope everybody's weeks are a little bit calmer since Christmas is over and that everything is going nice and smooth. And with that new surge of COVID, I hope everybody is staying safe and healthy. And I'm going to go ahead and add the mountains like so. Just removing the harsh lines, especially because these mountains are so delicate gray and see-through. I don't want anything peeking through. There we go. I think that looks pretty great. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some of these beautiful Rang Rang girls. There's a lot of winter. There's still a lot of Christmas in here. There's a lot of winter girls that I can add to kind of emphasize the winter weather, and I really like doing that because it just looks so fun when you combine sticker books like this where you have the fashion girls and then the mountains and then the like pine trees covered in snow. I really like that effect, and I hope you guys will too. Okay, so I am adding this one. I hope she won't walk in those heels on the snow, but who knows. I really like her with that leopard, so I thought I will add that. Okay, I'm just flipping through to make sure I add all of the ones that I like. Okay, and I'm gonna add this bigger one right there with coffee, with the red hat. I'm just pulling a little bit of reds to bring it into the planner. And I really want to, every time I flip through this book, I really want to use this sticker and I don't think there'll be ever a perfect time, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do it today and edit like so, because like I said, there'll never be a perfect time and I just wanna finally use it. So I'm just gonna add her. She's so cute with the beret. This has been my screensaver probably for the last year and a half, maybe 2 years, for as long as that image was out. So I think it was the Happy Planner who shared that as a screensaver for phones on like a pink background. So that's the one I have, and I love her because she has her coffee, her laptop, and her planner. So there we go. I'm gonna add this coffee really quick. I don't know if I want it in this section necessarily. I like keep putting it down and it doesn't seem right. So I'm gonna go ahead and add like 1 or 2 more girls and decide where to put this. Look at that one with the high knee boots, so cute, right? Okay, and I'm gonna add this one right in a gap in between the trees and the mountains, like so, and I'm gonna just layer it, and I think it looks great. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, exactly the same, because I really like to bring in that red. And then I'll add that coffee right to the corner. And honestly, I think my spread is done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I know it's a little bit different, but I hope you really liked it. And if you're not subscribed already, please do so. Thanks for spending the time with me, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching. Bye!